What's up, guys? Check out how I transformed my foyer from plain to insane. So I've been wanting to complete the foyer for a very long time. If you guys remember, I have my moss wall over here, and I also have my hanging plant ceiling, and I wanted to figure this wall out. At first I wanted stack stone, and it was just a little bit out of my budget. So I decided to go with this beautiful grass cloth wallpaper. And when we got it, it was way more than we expected. And so they happened to have a sample piece that was already open. And when we got it, we thought it was all the same thing, and it wasn't. So thankfully, when I realized that there was a difference, I went ahead and I put the one in the center that was different, and then at least this part matches. So right now, what I'm gonna do is take these wood slats and cover up this piece, and that's what we plan to do anyway, so it doesn't even really matter, but at least you won't see the difference in the wallpapers. Now, as far as the slats, let me tell you. So I went to the store, I was gonna buy regular sticks of wood, and it was like about $8 a piece, and we needed 36 of them. So then I came up with the idea of buying a plywood sheet that is 3/4 inches and then cutting it down. But of course, Lowe's is not gonna cut all that for me. So I decided, because I made such a cheaper option by buying the plywood sheet, that I would go ahead and treat myself and get an actual table saw. So I got the table saw, we cut these down, we finally stained them, and now it's time to put them on the wall. First set of sticks in the center are done. I think it looks gorgeous. And it's great because it covers up the lines that we were concerned about, and it's gonna go all the way up. But of course, it was 8-foot sticks. We have 12-foot ceilings. So I'm gonna create a stick that goes across to divide it, and it'll just be like a design element, and then I'll have more sticks continuing to the top. a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the final transformation to my foyer. Take a look at it. Tell me what you think in the comments. I got a lot more projects coming up, so stay tuned.